I have aluminum frame here that has no glass, and I was asked to replace it, but the truth is I really don't even know how it comes apart. So let's see what we can do in getting this glass in this frame. Most frames like this come apart in the corners, and what I'm going to do is see if I can't get one of these corners loose. That is coming loose right there. So let me get this crap on it. Hey, that popped that right out of there. So we figured out how to take it apart. Now I'm going to go at it and take this other corner off and see what we can do there. Let's see if that one, oh, that popped off just as easy. Well, I didn't realize that, but all that this one just has is these little corners right here that are holding it on. So, okay, now what I need to do is figure out about how wide this glass needs to be. Take the tape measure, and I'll measure here. That is 21 1/8. That goes back in there, wow, almost a ½ inch. I'm going to have to do it like this. So if I had a piece 22 by 18 or something like that, that should work. Let me go see what I have in glass. I found a piece of glass here, and I'm going to see how this fits in there. So if I would go an inch and an inch, I bet if I went an inch wider each direction, it would be pretty darn close. To try that out, I'm going to cut this piece at 22. Actually, I'm going to cut it at 22 1/8, and we'll see how she fits. You can see I have my glass in place here in this cutter, and what I do is I cut right along this edge right here, but I have it so that I can put it in at a certain measurement, and right here I have it set at 22 and well, about 3/16, and I'm going to cut it there to see how that works. Now to cut it, I bring this down so it snugs it up, and then I just start up here and I make a nice score. And so you can see that score mark in there, and then all I have to do is pull this handle just a little bit, and it brings this bar over and snaps that piece right off. So let me get that done. See, this is down, and now I'm just going to go like this, and that brings it right off. So I'll set this here for now. I'm going to go back over to the table and see if it fits. Remember, I still have to cut this the other direction, but I just want to see how this frame is going to fit down on and see if I got my measurements correct. Boy, that looks good. It's fitting good. I like it. Let's see how this frame's going to fit in there and how loose it'll be. That's almost perfect. So I'm going to go back over to my cutter and cut this, what was it, 15 and 3/4 plus an inch and 3/8. First thing that could happen to me is I'd have to get another piece of glass and cut it again. But we're going to know here momentarily if we have a success or not. Well, there we go. Uh-oh. That doesn't look right. Something isn't right. This is at a terrible angle. Maybe this glass wasn't even square when I started. Because that isn't going to work. Let me show you what I'm talking about. From here to here, it's right there, and from here to here, it's right here. Why? Dadgummit. Let me see if this is square, or if I just cut it wrong, or what I did. That measures the 22 area. And see, this is the 16th, and oh, no wonder. That's 5/16 off there. Huh. What did I do wrong, Marv? 1 3/8 plus 5/16. Did I do that wrong? I gotta cut it over. I made a mistake. When you make mistakes in projects, you just stop, you back up, and you start over, and you learn. Always measure twice, calculate, don't get in a hurry, don't do like I do. I cut it twice and it was still too short. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Let me get this cut again and see if we can't do a little bit better job. Well, I got that glass cut and I put it back in the frame, and it fit pretty good. Now what I got to do is see about getting something in here to seal around the edge. I think it's going to work okay. I put it here to get it squared up. So I need to go get something to stuff in around these edges. I'm debating if I want to use caulking or something else. Maybe window glazing. My rubbers don't fit. The rubber pieces that I have are the wrong size. There should be a rubber channel in here, but there isn't. So I'm just going to make do with what I have. I went ahead and used the caulking to seal that in. It seemed like the best choice. Now I'm just going to clean it up a little. And all I'm using is a wet rag. Just wipe the excess off. And the best thing that could happen to this then is it just sits a little bit. So this caulking has a chance to set up. But I do have to turn it over and do the other side the same way, so I don't know how messy it's going to be. But I have to admit, this took and was just a little harder than I thought it was going to be. I guess I'm just not set up the best yet for this kind of work. But the guy needed it. It was an Amish customer that came in, and he said he's going to have church on Sunday and his window broke and he kind of needed it fixed. And I couldn't turn him down. I just thought I had to go ahead and get this fixed. So he at least had the storm door on his house ready to go. Or whatever this fit in. I'm not even sure. I'm going to use my finger on this since I see that I had a little bit too much on the rag, and this is really messy right now, but we're going to get it cleaned off. When doing jobs like this and you don't have the right tools, you just have to do what you can do with what you have and do the best you can. That's all anyone can ask for, and that's all I did here. It's not perfect, but it certainly will work. And this, as soon as I get this cleaned off here, let's see what the other side, we'll see what the other side looks like, and we will make sure we don't got too much caulking on it again. You see, with a little patience and mistakes, a few tools, some caulking, we got this fixed. I'm going to let it set now for a while, and we're just going to see how it works. If you have any comments you want to share, I'd sure welcome them, good or bad. I'm not perfect here in my shop, and I never thought I would be. I'm working here in the old hardware shop today. Never mentioned that, but I am. Comments if you like videos where I fix or try to fix things the best I can. I'm not perfect. Please subscribe to my channel and share it. That helps me. If you want to watch more videos like this, grab one of these up here. Can it be fixed? Sure it can. Can you fix it? You're darn right you can fix it. Until the next one.